What's up guys, Chris at Dentless Touch back again with another paintless dent repair video. Dent is on the left rear door. It is an aluminum door. I got over there Tim, my teammate, my partner in crime on this repair. He's basically R&I'd this door for me in and out so we can gain access. Now I think my initial approach is going to be glue pulling. That's why I have this Kiko set up here. I don't know if I'm going to use the K-beam or just use my slide hammer, but you guys will see all of that. And I want to just get initial movement closer to the body line area and then knock down that crown simultaneously to kind of bring that shape back. Once I get the shape back, then I can use some tools to kind of fine tune the repair. All right, so I think we're at that stage where I need to pull the door off and start using tools. I'm gonna go with the stand liner tools first, just because of the way they operate. All right, future Chris, I'm gonna give you some more clarity around that statement that I just said about the stand liner tools. And mainly because if you notice that these tools have multiple pushing points, and you have the direct push, which is the tip of the tool, gives the similar reaction as pretty much anything else on the market. But also you have these beveled edges, and that's typically where I like to push off of. It gives you a clean but accurate push, similar to as if I would tape this tool up and give me a little bit of a blunter or a pull or movement of metal. And this is important because when you tape up the tool, you tend to get less power and less accuracy, less pinpoint accuracy. But now that I don't have to tape up the tool, I get like the best of both worlds. I can move metal cleanly, and I don't have to limit myself with the amount of force or the amount of precise movement of that tool or precise pushing that I can get out of a tool with no tape. So again, just want to give you some context around that statement that I just made. So what you just saw was us taking the door off the car, and you probably ask yourself, why are we taking the door off the car? We were able to get majority of the dent up, which is glue. Why didn't we just finish with the door on the car? Well, the door is aluminum, and I don't know if we were clear in the beginning with that, probably not, but the door is aluminum, which does require a little more finesse, a little more energy generated to actually make metal move. It doesn't have memory, so when we get it to that state, we have to actually push a little bit past flat just so it can level out once we release that energy that we're from us pushing. On top of being aluminum, this panel has a significant size brace that we have to work around. Anything above the body line is basically underneath a brace. So we have to use what we call a whale tail, and this is what we're doing right now. It actually snakes right between the outer shell and that brace. Now don't worry, we're gonna e-coat this again once we're finished, but this is just how the tool actually moves on the back side of that panel. So just to recap, we took the Kiko K-beam to relieve a lot of that tension, allowing us to level out that crown and actually bring up that body line. This is extremely important. This brings back the overall shape of the repair. Then it gets us to a state where we're just fine tuning. We knew that the fine tuning portion of this will take us 80% of the time on this job. So we want to do that in a more comfortable setting, which that's why we took the door panel off, because of all the little ins and outs, dealing with the brace, dealing with the aluminum. We wanted to choose the right tool for the job to not prolong this repair any longer. So we still have some more work to do, so let's get back to the repair.